Welcome back, traders. Today we are diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of trading with FundedNext. We are going to answer a question that's on every trader's mind. What is the minimum payout limit for FundedNext? So buckle up, because we've got some exciting information for you. So let's get right into it. The minimum payout limit, also known as the threshold, is a key factor for traders. It's the amount you need to reach in your trading account before you can withdraw your profits. First off, FundedNext doesn't have a one-size-fits-all approach. Here's the breakdown. If your payout is below or equal to $20, hold that thought. It's carried forward to the next cycle. But if you've hit between $21 and $50, you're in luck. USDT, TRC20 to the rescue for these mid-range payouts. For the high rollers with over $50 in profit, the world is your oyster. Choose any payout method offered by FundedNext. Flexibility is the name of the game here. But wait, there's more. If you have a profit of less than or equal to $20 in your account, but breach it in the next trading cycle, the outstanding profit from the last trading cycle will be adjusted and processed. This allows you to receive your accumulated earnings from past cycles. To initiate this, you can contact the FundedNext support team who will assist in processing the payout. And now that you're clued up, why wait? Start trading and make the most of your earnings with FundedNext. Subscribe for more videos like this and happy trading.